Nataka ya kawaida tu hivi. Unaweza kuwa unaongea Kiswahili.
Tunaendelea katika shimo hili hapa. Hali hapa panaitwa Mrito. Na leo ni tarehe 31. Leo ni tarehe 11 mwezi wa 9. Today is 11th of September, the year 2022. As you can see, this place is full of copper and gold. We have visited this place. We have allowed with the owner of this place here. They are here. They have allowed us. They have given us to extract this copper and gold. The place, the area is very big. It's almost more than 9 acres. But it is all, this place all is full of gold and copper. We have visited this place today, 11th of this September. It is around now, around almost 6 hours, 6 p.m. here in Tanzania. So you can visit. We are expecting to start this job with Jubilee Union Company Limited. So we welcome you very much. You can see the availability of copper here. The place is full of copper. This is very good. You cannot compare with any place where other countries, the copper is not in the same like this. It's not in this type. The type of copper here is very precious, very, very valued. So we welcome your brother. Thank you very much. Thank you.